If you are looking for the best software for motion graphics, this video explores the top 10 software creators are using right now. So, let's start with... When it comes to motion graphics, Adobe After Effects is often the first software people think of. For years, it has been one of the most widely used tools for creating animated titles, visual effects, and motion graphics for videos. The software uses a layer-based system. You place elements like text, images, or shapes on different layers and animate them over time. If you've used tools like Photoshop or Premiere Pro, the interface will feel somewhat familiar, which makes it easier to get started. What really makes After Effects stand out is the control it gives you over animation. Another major advantage is its massive ecosystem. Thousands of plugins, templates, and presets are available that can expand what the software can do and help speed up your workflow. The main drawback is performance. Complex projects can be demanding on your computer and may take time to render. Pricing is also subscription-based, starting at around $22.99 per month for the single app plan. Cinema 4D is known for combining powerful 3D capabilities with a relatively easy learning curve, which makes it popular among motion designers. The software is built around a straightforward object-based workflow. Instead of working with flat layers, users create and arrange 3D objects, lights, and cameras inside a scene. These elements can then be animated over time, allowing designers to create motion graphics that feel more dynamic and visually rich. One of its biggest strengths is its MoGraph system. This feature allows users to duplicate objects, arrange them in patterns, and animate them quickly. It also integrates smoothly with Adobe After Effects, making it easier to combine 3D elements with 2D motion graphics and visual effects. However, it is a premium tool, with subscription pricing typically starting around $69 per month, which can be expensive for beginners. Blender is transforming the motion graphics world by offering a powerful 3D pipeline that is completely free and open source. Unlike most graphic design software that often requires constant pre-rendering, Blender's real-time engine, Eevee, allows you to see cinematic lighting and shadows instantly. This creates a faster and more experimental workflow, where materials, lighting, and motion can be adjusted on the fly. One of Blender's most powerful features for modern motion design is geometry nodes. This procedural system allows creators to build complex patterns and animations in a non-destructive way. While the 3D workflow can take time to learn, its ability to model and animate makes it a complete creative tool for motion graphics. If you are new to motion design, Cavalry can be a great tool to start with. It allows designers to bring ideas to life using movement, behaviors, and dynamic controls. One of its biggest advantages is its real-time performance. The software renders directly in the viewport, allowing you to see changes instantly while animating. It also offers easy versioning, allowing designers to quickly duplicate and experiment with different versions of a project without affecting the original design. Another reason many designers are exploring Cavalry is its accessibility. The software offers a free starter version, while the professional plan costs around £16 per month when billed annually. Recently, Cavalry was acquired by Canva, which could help the software grow further and reach a wider audience in the future. DaVinci Resolve is widely known for video editing and color grading, but its Fusion page is also a powerful tool for motion graphics and visual effects. Instead of stacking layers like traditional software, Fusion uses a node-based system. You can think of nodes as building blocks that connect different parts of an animation. This approach makes it easier to manage complex effects without dealing with a crowded timeline. Fusion also allows you to work in a true 3D environment. You can add cameras, lights, and 3D objects just like on a real film set, giving your motion graphics more depth and realism. The spline editor gives you precise control over animation timing, helping movements feel smooth and natural. One of its biggest advantages is pricing. It offers a very powerful free version, while the full version is available for a one-time payment of around $295. Unreal Engine is used for motion graphics, broadcast visuals, and virtual production. It provides real-time rendering, allowing artists to see lighting, materials, and animation updates instantly without waiting for long render times. It also includes a motion design toolset with features like cloners and effectors, which let designers duplicate objects, build patterns, and animate complex graphics directly in the viewport. It can also combine 3D graphics, particle simulations, and video textures, making it useful for large screens, live events, and broadcast graphics. It is free to use, though some commercial projects may require royalty payments. However, its advanced features can make it challenging for beginners. Houdini is used to create complex motion graphics, and because of this, it is widely used in the film and game industries. It also uses a node-based procedural system, allowing designers to build motion systems where animations are generated through connected nodes. It has ability to create dynamic simulations, such as particles, fluids, smoke, and destruction effects. These tools allow motion designers to generate highly detailed and realistic animations. Beyond physics simulations, it also offers dedicated motion graphics tools like motion operators, which simplify tasks such as path animation and spring-based motion. However, it is known for its steep learning curve, as its procedural workflow can be challenging for beginners. The software offers a free apprentice version, while the Houdini Indie license starts at around $269 per year. Apple Motion is a motion graphics and compositing software developed by Apple. It is commonly used for creating animations, visual effects, and title graphics, especially for projects edited in Final Cut Pro. It features a behavior-based animation system, which allows designers to create animations quickly without relying heavily on keyframes. One of the best aspects of Motion is its real-time performance. It renders effects instantly in the viewport, giving immediate feedback whenever changes are made. This makes the workflow faster compared to software that requires preview rendering. Apple Motion is available for a one-time purchase of $50. However, it has a smaller ecosystem of plugins and tutorials compared to some industry-standard tools. When it comes to character-driven motion graphics and 2D animation, Moho Pro is a tool many animators rely on for its fast rigging workflow and flexible animation system. It allows artists to create scenes directly in the software or import layered artwork from Photoshop, while preserving the original layer structure. This makes it easy to build animation-ready projects without reorganizing assets. It also features advanced bone rigging system, which allows animators to control characters and objects efficiently. Instead of redrawing every frame, designers can animate using rigs, making the process faster and more flexible. Moho also features a vector-based drawing system that keeps shapes consistent while they move, helping maintain clean and smooth animations. Animations can be refined using the timeline, graph editor, and interpolation controls, giving creators precise control over motion and timing. When you see a Hollywood blockbuster or a high-end commercial today, there is a strong chance Autodesk Maya was the engine behind the scenes. It allows artists to build incredibly detailed 3D objects and environments for cinematic motion graphics. Its advanced rigging and animation systems provide precise control over objects and cameras, which is essential for complex professional workflows. Beyond modeling, Maya also excels in dynamics and simulations, enabling creators to produce realistic particles, fluids, and physics-based effects. However, this level of control comes with a steep learning curve and a professional subscription price starting at around $255 per month, or $168 per month when billed annually. And that's the end of our list. Subscribe for more content like this.